Hey everyone, and welcome to this little video on how to become a certified AI specialized marketing expert. In this video, I basically explain to you on how to the different steps you need to take to get your certification as a marketing AI certification as a marketing specialist. So as you know, AI is more and more part of every job, especially for marketeers. And having this AI knowledge and being certified will definitely give you a lot of opportunities. Let me quickly run through some of the benefits to become an AI certified marketing expert. So basically, the certification itself already gives you a lot of status and opportunity. Basically, it shows you that you know artificial intelligence as a marketing professional, and it shows that you are future-proofing your skills, so you take marketing seriously. And by doing this, you basically have a lot more job opportunities, because these days somebody who has AI knowledge will always be hired upon somebody that does not have AI knowledge. So this growth in job opportunities is one huge benefit. Besides that, on average, we see that people who know AI have a 30% higher salary. So basically, because they're more efficient, more productive, because they use AI, you can ask for a higher salary. Or and what we see a lot as well is that people have a little side job because AI gives a lot of opportunities to grow ideas that they have. For example, entrepreneurial ideas. So in short, it basically prepares you for career growth. So this certification will help with that. Then we also see that by knowing how to use AI, you will save a lot of time. Basically because you're more productive and efficient, and this gives you more time for other things in life. So as you can see, we are on completeaitraining.com. This website has AI training programs for over 220 different professions. And there's a whole bunch of marketing professions that we have training for. So here's all the marketing jobs that are available. So from marketing directors, AI video editor, bloggers, content writers, digital marketing specialists, etc., etc. So if you want to get your certification, basically find a job that's most relevant for you. For example, the AI for marketing directors course. Over here, you'll find all the video courses that bring you from basic to professional AI expert. All the courses around ChatGPT, Claude 2, Claude 3 also soon, Google Gemini, all the office tools you can use with AI, etc. So you need to study these if you want to get your certification, and you also need to do the prompt courses. These prompt courses basically show you how to get the different one second. This prompt courses basically show you all the different tasks you can do with AI as in this case, marketing director. So here's the whole list. Go through that. And then go back to the certification page for marketing. And the process is as follows. First, you will apply for an AI certification. So you will find that by filling in the form here, fill in your name, fill in your job title, fill in the next steps. Then we will check if you're eligible for a free certification. So basically subscribers of completeaitraining.com can get one free certification per year. And a yearly subscription on completeaitraining.com is $99. If you're not subscribed, the certification is also $99. So basically the certification is for free, if you will. And if you want to do more than one certification, you can do that with a little 20% discount. So then it's for any additional certifications, basically $79. Then once you're eligible, then we will send you the certification exam. The exam consists of 20 to 30 multiple choice questions. These are all the more theoretical questions to show us and the rest of the world after you get the certification that you got all the theoretical knowledge. And then there's 4 to 8 practical long form project-based questions. So these questions basically show that you have real world marketing experience. So they are all open project-based questions. So by validly answering those, we basically see that you have real world marketing experience in AI. And so this is what the test looks like. Oh yeah, by the way, the question amount is variable because the test will always be variable. The test is pretty much never fully the same. So that's hence the variability in the questions. Good. Once you're done, we will evaluate your test. This is a manual review process. It will take a couple of days at the moment. Potentially it will take 1 week, but in general, this is it. And then you're either pass for the exam and you will directly receive your certificate and diploma, or you will fail. And in this case, we will give you extensive feedback on what you need to improve. And you can do the test again. It is important to say if you want to do the test again, you do have to make the same payment again. So $79 as a subscriber of CompleteAItraining.com, $99 if you're not a subscriber. And the reason for this is that this is all a manual review process, so it will take a lot of time. So technically the $99 for your certification is already a real bargain. So yeah, so far these explanations. If you want to know more, please check out this marketing certification page on CompleteAItraining.com. Everything is detailed out for you here, and there's also a big FAQ section. Because all sorts of certifications. So these are all the certifications that we have. You will find them under the certification page. So have a look here if you're interested in more than one certification. And if you're interested in CompleteAItraining.com, if you go to CompleteAItraining.com, there's a little subscribe button if you're not logged in yet, as I am now. So check out that subscribe button. Subscription process is super easy. There's a 3-day trial involved as well. There's also a business account available, so you can potentially convince your business to subscribe. And business accounts have up to 10 certifications. So yeah, so far again, please have a look on the website, and I hope to see you soon as an AI certified marketing specialist. Okay, have a wonderful day.